we doing today? My name is Neil Jackson. This is my audience.
Oh, I'm here too.
There we
Hi.
go. There we go. Thank you. I actually want to persuade everyone today on the importance of recycling to help our planet. By starting to recycle the planet, we hope to be served as a whole and make our future and the future of our kids even better. Basically, this all started. I was driving one day. All I could think about it was how hot it was. Yes, we are in Florida, but it is April, and I never remember it being this hot at the beginning of the year. Not to mention that I drive a Chevrolet Black Cavalier with no absolutely air conditioning. Um, this made me think that maybe global warming was possibly going on. Many people hear about it. Some believe it and some don't. But actually, according to the Oracle Education Foundation, global warming is when the Earth heats up and the temperature rises. It basically happens when the greenhouse gases, the carbon dioxide, water vapor, nitrous oxide, and methane, they trap heat and the light from the sun in the Earth's atmosphere, which increases the temperature ultimately. This is harmful to animals, plants, plant life, and us. In the same article, this is used. They use a metaphor as if you left your car in the hot sun for hours, and when you open it, your car door, it's basically the palpable heat hits you so hard sometimes you cannot even touch your seatbelt. That's what slowly is happening to Earth. According to the National Geographic, the Earth has been slowly heating up at an average of 1.4 degrees Fahrenheit each year, and that's been in the past 2 decades. The Earth was hottest. The Earth was the hottest in the last 400 years. This is alarming and scary, but if you do the math, by the time we're 50, the Earth would be an average of 42 degrees hotter than it is right now. The next step would be what you can do to prevent this from happening is recycling. By starting to recycle, the planet can be helped to be saved as a whole and make our future and the future for our kids better. Even recycling the simplest things can benefit our planet more than you think. It can save trees and I mean just numerous things. I have some examples right here. Plastic, you go to Publix or something, they have little green recycling bins. You can throw your plastics in there. Let's see. Aluminum cans. Throw any kinds of aluminum, save them up and throw them in there. Plastic bags. Save up a bunch of plastic bags. Bring them over there. They'll recycle those for you also. Newspapers as well. Let me give you an example. What do you think one aluminum can do when you recycle it? According to HelpStopGlobalWarming.com, there are so many facts of what recycling can do for you. When you see a Coke can on the ground, did you know that it can be used to power your TV for 3 hours? According to StopGlobalWarming.com, it can take 95% less energy to recycle an aluminum can than it does to make it from raw materials. This means roughly 95% of the pollutants fuming into the air. I don't know how many of you pay your own electricity bills, but everyone knows they're pretty pricey. If you don't particularly pay an electricity bill, maybe you're in a dorm, but you know the rent is pricey. Recycling 1 pound of steel can light a 60-watt light bulb for over a day. Even further, the United States recycling of steel saves enough energy to heat and light 1.8 million homes in one single year. So by recycling steel or tin, you can ultimately help your own energy bill. One of the big fashion statements in the past couple of years is the paper recycled grocery bags, such as this one. They cost 99 cents, and just it adds up, and it saves the hassle of collecting up all these little plastic bags that you have. But you have to pay to use them, yes, but actually the energy equivalent of 11 barrels of oil, which is honestly way cheaper to use a dollar bag than the ever increasing cost of gasoline. can hear more of these uh, ways to help recycle on helpstopglobalwarming.com. Now, the most important aspect of global warming is the decrease of trees on our planet. Well, let's be honest, everyone in the entire world is getting a little populated, and we do need more planes, places to expand, and build houses. The problem with that is that we have to cut down trees in order to do that. You might not think it's that big of a deal right now, but trees are also being used for newspaper, um, assignments, handouts. They're very vital to every aspect in college living. So trees are being hit from multiple sources. According to Arbor Day Foundation, this is because trees suck up the carbon dioxide in the air and convert to oxygen. As we know from earlier, carbon dioxide is one of the most pivotal gases that are causing the greenhouse effect. Um, by recycling each 2,000 pounds of recycled paper can save 17 trees, 380 gallons of oil, 3 cubic yards of landfill space, 4,000 kilowatts of energy, and 7,000 gallons of water. This represents a 64% energy savings and a 58% water savings, and 60% or 60 pounds less of aluminum air pollution. Um, if nothing else, just realize the importance of recycling to our planet, to our generation as a whole, to our future and our children's future, and so on. Even though I didn't really recognize how vital it is to stop global warming and prevent our planet from being destroyed, quote unquote, after seeing all this and researching it, and it just made me so much more aware of how important it is. Once again, recycle. No matter how lazy you are, or how much you don't see it necessary, it won't make a difference because you're an individual. One person can make a difference. Um, like I said, just pick each time you go to the store, pay 99 cents for one of these recyclable bags, and use those from now on.